Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's on to the next broken top laner. Here we have Darius, a very balanced character. Let's witness what he can do. Epic gameplay. Incredible mechanics. Look at that E. Don't need mechanics when your Q just instantly kills them with tank items. Hell yeah. Oh, he landed an ability. Ladies and gentlemen, the legend. Oh, auto attack for victory. Impressive, impressive. Uh-oh, it's the entire enemy team. Soraka is getting ready to go into maximum melee mode. Alright, actually did the combo. Impressive, impressive. Standing and auto attacking, standing and auto attacking, standing and auto attacking, pressing some abilities. Wait a minute, he lives and murders everyone. I like this gameplay. That's good stuff.